Meet Paula and Mike, an unsuspecting pair of friends who stumbled upon their bizarre talent while enjoying a picnic. One sunny afternoon, they both felt an uncontrollable urge to sneeze at the exact same moment. Laughter ensued, and that's when they realized their uncanny ability to synchronize their sneezes. Embracing this weird skill, they practiced together, perfecting their timing and adding comedic flair. People were intrigued, and soon they found themselves performing at local events. Their journey involved nervous moments, endless practice, and a few unexpected audience reactions. But their infectious joy inspired others. They teach us that even the simplest things can turn into extraordinary experiences when shared with a friend.